Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to paint this BTS Dimple inspired design. Start off by applying a layer of base coat to all of your fingernails. Paint your index fingernail a cool gray, your middle fingernail tan, your ring fingernail a pale blue, your pinky fingernail a milky pink, and your thumbnail a holographic blue. On the index fingernail, start by drawing a medium-sized circle in the center of your nail. Then draw the body, the arms, the legs, and the hair with white as well. Then I mix the corresponding colors with a clear polish to make it more of a sheer polish, and then I just colored in the white lines that I drew, and it's supposed to look like it's glowing, so I use white, tan, and black in total. On the middle fingernail, I'm going to be taking a pale pink to draw a pair of lips, and they're going to be a pair of smiling lips so we can draw in the dimples with brown polish later. Once I have this base down, I'm just going to take a darker pink and just add a bit of shading to show the crease and also to show the edges of the lips. I went back in with my darkest red to add some lines that are coming out of the center line. For the dimples, dab and blend in brown polish near the corners of the mouth. For the ring fingernail, I'm going to start by applying some white polish at the bottom part of a sponge and then going around that with a pale blue and mint. Then sponge that onto the nail until it is opaque. Peel off the latex barrier. Now draw an angel with white polish. I'm starting with the head, which is another medium-sized circle like we did for the index fingernail. Except we will be adding in the wings. Then color in the angel with the appropriate colors mixed with clear polish. Since I forgot to draw the halo, which is such a quintessential part of an angel, I'm doing that and then going over that with yellow. The pinky fingernail design is inspired by a lyric that says, "Was it a mistake made by an angel or a deep kiss?" The angel was drawn on the ring fingernail, so I thought it would be clever to draw a kiss mark on the pinky fingernail, which comes right after. And I'm using a dark red and just dabbing that on, not paying too much attention to the shade. For the thumb, I'm going to start by applying a layer of liquid latex. Next, I'm just going to be sponging on red, blue, and a peachy holographic glitter onto the nail, and I'm just going around the edge so that the lighter focus is in the middle. Now peel off the latex barrier. Then apply a generous layer of top coat to smooth this out. Next, take white polish to write 보조개, which means dimple in Korean. I had the bottom stroke of each of the characters line up with the start of the next so that it could have this continuous vibe. Add 2 pairs of white dots, then take a pale pink and start drawing the flowers. Use dark pink to break up the cluster of pale pink into petals. Use a light green to lay down the base for the leaves. Dab dark green in the center of the leaves. Now add a generous layer of top coat over all the designs and then you're done! I hope you guys enjoyed watching this BTS Dimple nail art tutorial. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you all very soon. Bye everyone!